Hey there, this is Marina here to review the HOU iPad keyboard case for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This thing essentially makes your iPad into a laptop. So I was looking for a keyboard case for my 12.9 inch third generation iPad, mainly because I was getting annoyed at using the keyboard, especially when using the Apple Pencil, because you get this happening. I then innocently went onto Apple, all excited about getting this new Magic iPad keyboard, and then saw the whopping price tag of 449 Canadian dollars. No thank you. Looked everywhere for an alternative: Shein, Temu, AliExpress, and of course Amazon. I originally wanted a rotational swivel like this one and then went into a rabbit hole of iPad keyboards for another 4 days. I then decided that because I do a lot of video tutorials, I needed something where I can easily just pop it off and not fidget with one of these guys and possibly ruin my nails. And most importantly, it had to sit on my lap without tipping over if I'm vegging on the couch. So enter in the HOU iPad keyboard case for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, available for the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th gen iPad. It's currently on Amazon for 139 Canadian dollars. While I didn't go out and purchase the Apple Magic Keyboard to do a side-by-side comparison, I can tell you that it looks near identical. It comes with 3 items: a manual, the keyboard case, and a wiping cloth. It doesn't come with the USB-C cable, but I'm sure you have one of those lying around the house. It measures just a little over 5/8 of an inch and weighs in at 52.9 ounces. That's about 6.5 cups of water, compared to my 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is 88.1 ounces. That's about 11 cups of water. Just like the Apple version, it's magnetic. Just line up the back camera to the hole and it snaps right on. It does take 2 hands to open because, unlike a laptop that's bottom heavy, this is top heavy. It doesn't have any locking increments, it just stays wherever you put it up to 130 degrees. To get it working, simply turn it on, open the settings on your iPad, and just pair it via Bluetooth. The manual does come with instructions with a gesture cheat sheet, and if you hit Command on the keyboard, it also pulls it up right there. It does mimic a lot of Apple keyboard functions like Command Tab to alternate between apps, and Command C and V for copy and paste, etc. The keyboard works great and feels great. Here is some ASMR for you. It doesn't have a holder for the Apple Pencil, but I think I can live without it. I must have went through probably 100 iPad covers in 5 years, and I can't believe it's taken me 5 years to actually figure out that I needed this. And I'm kicking myself as to why I didn't get it sooner. And saving that $280 is a no-brainer. And best of all, I can now sit on the couch and pretend it's like another laptop. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.